On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad visits the Florida Senior Games.
These seniors ever give you a hard time?
And is challenged by some golden-aged gladiators.
Come on, Chad. Come on, Chad.
This is a different one. I just made up this one. This is
Come on, Chad.
called Noah's Ark.
And Chef Justin dishes out a delicacy sure to brighten your day.
Florida Sunray Venus clams over a garlic loaf with tomato, parmesan, and basil salsa.
And Chad and the boys dip their lines in beautiful Isla Morada.
Oh my gosh!
You see that fish?
Oh!
So grab those running shoes. We're off to do Florida.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, today on the show, we're going to show you how to do the senior games.
Come on.
Go, let's go.
Florida's climate and laid-back lifestyle make it one of the best places in the world to retire. So little wonder that senior citizens are the state's fastest-growing age group and the driving force behind one of the country's biggest athletic competitions for athletes 50 and over. That's right, the Florida Senior Games. Every year, thousands of these wizened warriors gather for competition, camaraderie, and a chance to qualify for the National Senior Games. In everything from leisurely games like croquet to actual Olympic sports like swimming and track and field.
Florida has one of the largest senior game programs in the nation, with over 12,000 participants competing each year.
Athletes can compete in 24 different sports and are divided into age groups in 5-year increments, all the way up to, get this, 100 plus.
You have athletes that are 100 years old?
Yeah, we do get the occasional athlete that's 100 years old, and we do waive their entry fee. So.
Is that y'all's version of a senior discount?
It is.
Bless your heart.
Today, we're on Florida's scenic Gulf Coast in Clearwater to catch up with some of these amazing athletes. And I do mean catch up.
You're walking really fast.
I'm trying to warm up as I go.
So this is actually part of the warm-up.
Meet Avis Vault, a retired high school educator and coach. She's competing in her 9th senior games.
You got to keep up with Avis, man. She's warming up. I don't know if my crew's going to be able to keep up with you, Avis.
This is the part where I tell you that Avis is 68 years old. She's already running me ragged, and this is just her warm-up.
That's about as far as I can
Yeah,
go.
we're short of here.
Yeah.
Okay. I got some exercise that'll help you on that
I
one.
need bigger toes,
All right.
and longer fingers.
Get the hips loosed up.
Oh,
There you
man, I
go.
feel that, Avis. Wow.
Oh, I know. Raise the legs up. Loosen up the back of the
I feel something
hamstrings.
grinding.
And then you can get down in the push-up position.
Oh, we're getting way down there?
Okay, that's it. All warmed up, right?
This is a different one. I just made up this one. This is
Come on, Chad.
called Noah's Ark.
All right, nice and easy, nice and easy. All right, now we kick it in.
Kick it in?
Kick it in.
Okay. It's time to kick it in.
Come on, Chad. 2 more to go. Come on.
You gotta
Ready?
be kidding me.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
I'm beginning to see why Avis is ranked top 5 nationally in 8 different track and field events, including a #1 national ranking in javelin.
How do you use this thing? What is
It's
this?
kind of tricky, but anybody can do it.
Anybody can do it?
Anybody can do it.
Avis coaches
Step
me on the
and just
proper
kind of
grip,
take it over
approach,
your
and
shoulder.
release.
All right, not bad.
Hey, this is harder than she makes it look.
This is very complicated.
Yes, it is.
I thought we were just throwing a stick.
While Avis loves to compete in the senior games, the real reward for her is the active lifestyle it allows her.
So does being active directly connect to your quality of life?
By all means. At my age, I have no meds, I have no injuries, I've had no surgeries.
Well, I can't think of a better place to come and spend your later years in life than
Oh.
Florida. To experience Florida, you've got to go out and do it. You can't watch it on TV, even though this is a TV show. I get the irony there.
Okay, we're off to watch Avis compete. First stop is the shot put event.
Okay, Avis is up next here. Let's see how she does. Come on, Avis. Get in there, girl. Come on. Nice, nice. Good throw.
24 feet, 10 inches.
Just a little tip, a little more grunting. Okay.
A little more grunting?
Is that important? Okay.
Well, what it does is you exhale the abdominal muscles so that you get a little more torque.
And just like that, Avis wins. Her first gold medal of the day.
She's off to the high jump. Avis is just all over the place.
Headed to an event she first did as a member of the Florida State University's 1968 track and field team.
The high jump is a special event. It's one I did when I was at FSU as a college student, and I love it to death. I'm just getting older at it. I had a 24-inch vertical jump. I don't think I've got 3-inch now. But, you know, that's what age does.
So there's a lot of different categories here in the senior games. I mean, you've got high jump, you're doing the javelin, the shot put. I mean, it seems like a wide variety of different games.
Yes.
Is that designed to attract more people, or why is that?
Yes, because not everybody does everything.
Yeah.
Remember, back in the 60s, women were not allowed to play.
Right, exactly.
So when I went to FSU in '68, we kept knocking on doors.
Yeah.
We want to play.
Yeah.
So they did.
Well, you're playing today, girl.
And I'm playing today.
And you're doing
not
a great
looking
job.
back. You got it. You got it.
Up next, Chef Justin prepares a dish fit for a Roman goddess.
You start that in. You start that in.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Meet you in the middle.
Sunray Venus clams. And then it's back to the senior games where there's never a dull moment.
Pickleball, here we come. So pickle, where does that come from?
Well, Cooper, you got one right there. And later, Chad and the boys head to beautiful Isla Morada for some patch reef fishing.
Oh my gosh!
You see that fish?
Oh!
You're watching How to Do Florida.
We'll be right back.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Chad. One more.
Oh, Chef, what is this?
Yes, we have our Florida Sunray Venus clams over a garlic loaf with tomato, parmesan, and basil salsa. It smells phenomenal.
It's clamtastic Florida toast. Looking good, Chef. Oh, wow, what is that, man? That smells good.
We've got a little bit of vegetable stock on a full rolling boil here.
Can the viewing audience see me? I don't even know. Like, you've got
You're
this.
enveloped in the
You're blocking me
steam.
out here. I see clams over here.
Yeah. So
what do we got going on?
We're going to cook these wonderful Sunray Venus clams. We're going to serve them over a garlic loaf, and we're going to garnish them with a Florida tomato parmesan salsa. It's going to be phenomenal.
Clams. What do we got
All
here,
right,
Chef?
yes, our hero, the Florida Sunray Venus clam, one of my favorites. So what we found in the test kitchen here is that these clams let you know when they're done. They turn pink, they open up, and that's our key to know when they're cooked properly.
Never worked with these. Looking forward to what you're going to do today, Chef. So what are we cooking?
I've got some garlic. So I'm just going to add a little more flavor to this, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of butter as well. Let that get in there.
Okay.
You want to put those in there?
Sure.
All right.
Chef, what's going to happen when these start to heat up?
Yeah, so they're going to start to turn pink, and they're going to start to open up, and that's going to be our cue that they're done. Another great thing about these Sunray Venus clams is they are sustainable, which is awesome. You know, but I don't think your shirt is very sustainable here, though. Where did you get that thing?
What, you don't like this shirt? This is my Sunray Venus shirt. You like it?
Well, you rock it pretty well.
Okay. All right.
I'll
Move
take
them
that.
around a little bit. As you can see, they're already starting to turn pink here, Chef. Look at that color.
All right, so we're going to let these finish up cooking. They're already starting to open up just a little bit. We need to get moving on the rest of it.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and make our tomato salsa here. Chef Paula.
Tomato.
Hey there,
Hey.
Chef Paula.
Hi.
Hey, Chef, how you doing?
Great. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
So Chef Paula Kendrick with the Division of Food, Nutrition, and Wellness for our Department of Agriculture. Tell us a little bit about what you do, Paula.
So I work with the National School Lunch Program, get to help get more fresh produce into the schools, into the kids.
That sounds like a pretty big job.
It is.
The state of Florida has 2 full-time chefs promoting products grown here in Florida.
Absolutely.
That's correct.
That's pretty cool. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks, Chef. All right, so Chef Paula has already diced up a little bit of tomatoes for us, which is wonderful. Our
did a good
Florida
job,
tomatoes,
man.
she does. She's a pro.
Nice tight dice there.
So we're gonna go ahead and add some olive oil to this. I got some salt. I got a little bit of seasoning as well. I got my lemon. I'm gonna roll it on the board to loosen it up a little bit.
So, Chef, you're right. These are opening up. So when they open up like that, that means they're done?
Yeah, when they start to open up, it means they're done, absolutely. They've got the pink color, they're turning, they're opening up, they let you know when they're ready. All right, so my tomatoes, olive oil, lemon juice, some more garlic going in here. I got some fresh herbs going in as well, some of my parsley. We're gonna add our basil in. We're gonna start to stir this up a little bit. This is already smelling really good. I'm gonna add my Parmesan cheese as well. You wanna grab the garlic bread out of the oven?
You want the whole pan or just the...
Yeah, I'll take the love if you bring the pan over. I'll take this, Ben boy.
Wow.
So I just made a little bit of garlic bread, my favorite way. I've got olive oil, a little bit of butter, some more Parmesan cheese, some fresh herbs. So what we're gonna do is, with the ones we already see open, we can go ahead and start putting these on here.
Oh, man.
You know, you've heard of Texas toast. This is like Florida toast.
Yeah, there you go, exactly.
This is gonna be awesome.
So our clams are on our garlic loaf. I've got my beautiful Florida tomato, basil, and lemon salsa all seasoned up. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this over. I'm using my hands.
Oh, wow. And now you've made this before. Were you testing this out today, or was
no,
this in your mind?
This one I've tried before.
Look at that. Look at that. It's insane. How are we gonna eat this?
With a fork. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a little messy, but that's the fun part about it. We're really getting in there and working with our food. This is a family-style dish, which is great.
Oh, I love it, Chef. I love it. Okay, where's my fork at?
Stick a little lemon in here.
Absolutely delicious. It looks
so
great,
good.
and it tastes great. To get this recipe, go to howtodoflorida.com. Chef, you nailed it, buddy.
When we return, this 90-year-old star senior athlete dominates in the most iconic of Olympic events.
I have to go to graveyard to find my competition.
And later, Chad and the boys head to beautiful Isla Mirada for some patch reef fishing. Woo-hoo-hoo!
We're at the Florida Senior Games, the largest and most important athletic competition for senior citizens in the state. And while these guys and gals are in it to win it, what really amazes me is, I guess, what you'd call the vibe here at the games.
It's a good sense of competition but camaraderie here at this event. It's really neat to see.
All these athletes, they're in it together. They're about pushing each other to be their personal best. For some folks, it may be intimidating if you don't compete in sports, or you haven't in the past, or you haven't in a while. But I'll tell you that I've never seen in all the sports that we do with the foundation a group of people that are so friendly and so encouraging of fellow athletes. So even though they're your competitor, they're out there cheering you on just as strongly.
Okay, we've just left track and field with Avis, and now we're at the Long Center, where we're going to learn a little bit about pickleball. I'm not making this up. I have no idea what that is. Let's go check it out.
Pickleball is a little like tennis. Well, actually it's more like badminton, or maybe ping pong. Heck, I'm not sure what this crazy sport is about, but there are 3.2 million people playing it in the country these days. So I relish the opportunity to find out more.
It was created from badminton. They couldn't get the badminton up, and they put the net down, and then they started to grab some ping pong paddles and a wiffle ball, and that's how the game was created.
So pickle, where does that come from?
Originated from a dog. When they first got the game going in 1965, the owner inherited a dog, and Pickles, the dog, went and got the balls for him, and so that's where they called it pickleball.
Fortunately, I just happened to be in the presence of pickleball greatness.
Well, she looks like a mean pickleball player. Look at that swing.
She can whack it, and she can hit it soft.
She can bring it?
She can bring it.
I was watching you playing out there. You seem like a real pistol. I mean, you were really all over the place.
It's the one sport that I have found that a lot of novice people who have never played a sport in their life can play this game and fall in love with it instantly. The only caution I have is that it is addicting.
The zest for life around here is infectious. It's inspiring to be around so many super active seniors. And I still have yet to hang out with one of the oldest competitors here.
When you're 90, anything can happen day to day.
Raised by a single mother during the Great Depression, Ryan joined the Marines after Pearl Harbor before he was old enough to enlist. His bravery was matched only by the level of fitness that job took. Fitness he's maintained, thanks in part to the Senior Games.
Well, it's a lot of fun. I love competition, and since I got out of the Marine Corps, I just kept swimming and running, and I never worry about the competition. I just get in. If I win, that's fantastic, and if I don't, then that's okay too.
Ryan agreed to show me his gold medal form for his favorite track and field event, the discus.
Fling that sucker.
That's it.
For 90 years old, that's pretty dang good.
What a great day we had at the Florida Senior Games. What more proof do you need that Florida is one of the best places in the world to retire and stay active?
Thanks for being out here. You're such a great example for, all of us who are younger, who are going to be where you are one day. I hope I'm half as active as you are when I'm 90.
Thank you.
Ryan is 90. He's out here competing.
I'll tell you one thing. I'll never think of the term senior moment in quite the same way again.
Having a senior moment, Chad?
That's funny. Oh my gosh.
For more on how to get out and do Florida, go to our website at howtodoflorida.com.
Islamorada, the village of Isles, a place where it's not about what's here, it's all about what's out there.
Today, I'm excited. My wife Christy wanted some alone time to relax. That was my cue to grab the boys and head out to fish some shallow patch reefs off Islamorada.
Oh boy, I got these boys up at 6:30. Not too happy with me right now. We're at Bud and Mary's, we're gonna go fishing, but I think at the end of the day, they're gonna be glad they did.
Okay, sometimes you gotta work a little harder to have a good time on vacation.
Come on, buddy. Boat's leaving. We gotta go, buddy. Let's go. Come on. So today we're meeting Captain Ricky Spans. It's gonna take us out. Here he is right here.
Good morning, guys. We all set?
We are all set.
All right.
If your kids are like mine, they barely know the world exists at this hour.
Ready to catch some fish?
Let's do it.
All right. Let's go.
Hey, it's early to be up. But for me, it's worth it. The boys are gonna get to fish in one of the best spots on the planet.
Good things happen early in the morning. They're not quite grasping that concept, but I think they're gonna be glad they got up early this morning. I mean, Islamorada, this is it, right? This is the place to be.
Yep, it's the sport fishing mecca.
Early in the morning, out on the water, seeing that beautiful sun come up, it reminds me of so many great fishing memories I've had here in the Florida Keys.
And in no time, we're at our fishing spot.
So, Captain, what are we doing today?
Well, Chad, I'm going to get you, Cooper, and Chase, on a variety of fish today. We're fishing the patch reefs, which are, little bits of coral heads and sea fans.
And it's not long before fish are coming in the boat.
Oh, there we go.
The first few fish aren't big enough to keep. But then,
Real. Whoa, man, hold on.
Cooper got himself a different kind of wake-up call.
Oh, man.
Oh, my gosh.
You see that fish?
Whoa. Oh, my gosh.
This right here is why we got up early today.
Right, look at that.
Dude, look at that fish you caught.
That's a monster.
While a great fighting fish, the Jack Crevalle is not a great eating fish. So we decided to let it go.
When you're coming down here, especially if you're not familiar with the area, hire a guide. You don't have to worry about boats and bait.
Yellowtail.
These guys know where to fish. They know what to do.
Whoa, Cooper, you got one right there.
It really ensures a good time with a lot of fish.
I wonder what Mommy's doing.
She's probably still asleep.
I'm glad Chad and the boys could go fishing this morning. For me, I got up early for a different reason. I recommend a relaxing spa treatment. This will set the tone for your vacation. And there's no better backdrop to catch up on your reading or just take it all in. This is what the Florida Keys is all about.
All right, guys, what do you want to do with all these fish we got in the box there?
Can we eat them?
I don't have a place to cook them.
Sure, you guys can eat them. I can clean them up for you. You can bring them to one of the many catch and cook restaurants down here. You could be eating them in an hour.
Definitely a trip my boys and I will remember. A day of fishing in the sport fishing capital of the world.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Catch and cook, or hook and cook, is practiced all throughout the Florida Keys. Basically, it's pretty simple. Whatever you bring back from your fishing trip, you can take to any of several restaurants and have them prepare your catch for your dinner.
You've got to be kidding me. Guys, can you believe all this fish I caught?
Hey, we caught some too.
Nothing compares to walking off the boat, sitting down in a great restaurant, eating a meal that you caught that day.
Mommy, look at all this fish we caught.
What? You guys caught all these fish?
Yeah.
That looks amazing. Good job.
You got a nice glow about you.
Well, thank you. It's been a relaxing day.
It doesn't get any fresher than that.
That's our show. I hope you learned something, but more importantly, hope you feel encouraged to get out and do Florida. Whew, here we go.
There's supposed to be 3 of my age group in this, but they didn't show up. When you're 90, anything can happen day to day.
Today on the show, we're steaming water. Jeff's going to show us 3 ways to steam.
They're so fresh and tasty, and they're sustainable.
So they're sustainable, meaning what?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I think, Avis, I think I blew a hammy.
Your hamstring?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no.
So pickle, where does that come from?